When teachers choose a global context for learning, they're choosing one of the 6 categories of exploration in order to help students understand a topic through real-life issues. For instance, the personal and cultural expression context explores how people express themselves in order to demonstrate personal identity and values. It delves into ideas, feelings, nature, beliefs, or appreciation of the aesthetic. I'm going to give you a few examples of projects, and maybe that will help you understand how you could use this personal and cultural expression to focus or direct your inquiry. So, for instance, you might explore the creation of personal and cultural art and their significance, or the impact of philosophies and regional belief systems on a particular culture. Maybe metacognition, which is the thinking about your thinking, or a higher level thinking like abstract thinking, and how those impact daily work and emotional intelligence. Maybe it's a project about performance arts and the impact of that art on the viewers. However you choose to use this global context to direct or focus your project, it's really the vehicle for understanding through different perspectives.